Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. It's incredibly frustrating when your Bluetooth device shows as connected to your laptop but no sound comes out. This is a very common issue but often easily fixed. Here is a comprehensive troubleshooting guide to get your audio working fast. First of all, these are some of the common fixes, so try this first. These apply to both Windows and Mac and resolve most issues. Check the volume levels of your laptop and Bluetooth device. First of all, check on the laptop master volume. Click the speaker icon just here in your taskbar right here and ensure that the master volume is up and not muted. Also check on the application volume. Check the volume within the specific app playing audio, e.g. YouTube, Spotify, VLC, Zoom. Many apps have their own volume controls. Just look at YouTube here. It has these volume controls, which at times can be low, so just increase the volume here. Also check the Bluetooth device volume. Your headphones or speaker likely have their own physical volume controls. Just make sure that they are turned up and not muted. Now let's also verify output device selection. Your laptop might be connected to a Bluetooth device, but the sound might still be muted to your laptop's built-in speakers. Right-click this speaker icon here in your taskbar. From these options, just select Sound Settings. Under Output, ensure that your Bluetooth, headphones or speaker are selected from the drop-down menu. Just confirm that. Another solution is to toggle Bluetooth off and on. A simple reset of the Bluetooth connection can often clear minor glitches. Go to Settings by pressing on Windows plus I key on your keyboard. Now, go to Bluetooth and Devices right here. From this option, toggle Bluetooth off. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds, then toggle it back on. If at all that doesn't fix, restart your laptop and Bluetooth device. The classic IT solution, but it works. A full restart can refresh all drivers and services. Turn off your Bluetooth headphones or speaker as well, then turn them back on and put them into pairing mode again and confirm whether that works. Also, you can forget device and then repair. So corrupted pairing data can cause connection issues on your laptop. Come back to the settings in here. Click on Bluetooth and devices. Now find your Bluetooth device in the list. Click the three dots right here or options and select remove device or disconnect or forget and confirm that. On your Bluetooth device, put your headphones or speaker into pairing mode, often through a long press of the power or Bluetooth button, depending on the type of device that you have. Now repair them. So on your laptop, search for new Bluetooth devices and select your device when it appears. Follow any on-screen prompts and you should have them connected back and you should have the issue fixed. Now these are some of the advanced troubleshooting if common fixes fail. Run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. For this Windows, go to settings and then go ahead and click on system. Now tap on troubleshoot and then click on other troubleshooters. Just find Bluetooth right here and click on run. Now follow any on-screen instructions. Another solution is to update and reinstall Bluetooth and audio drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a frequent cause of no sound issues. Right click on this start button right here and now select device manager from these options. So this is a solution for Bluetooth drivers. Just find Bluetooth right here from these options and just expand it by double clicking on it. Now right click on your Bluetooth adapter. It could be Intel wireless Bluetooth and just select update driver. Choose search automatically for updated driver software and just follow any other on-screen instructions. If that doesn't work, right click and select an install device. Check the box that says attempt to remove the driver for this device if available. Then click uninstall. Restart your laptop. Windows should automatically reinstall the driver. So for audio drivers, expand sound, video and game controllers. Right click on your audio device if at all it's Realtek high definition audio for instance and select update driver or an install device and then restart. You can also visit your laptop manufacturer website, for instance HP in my case, and download the latest Bluetooth and audio drivers specifically for your model. Now let's also restart Bluetooth support service. This service is crucial for Bluetooth functionality and this could be the solution as well. Press on Windows key plus R. Now in here type services.msc and press enter. Now go ahead and scroll down and find Bluetooth support service. Right click on it and select restart. Right click again, select properties, and also ensure that in here startup type is set to automatic. Click apply and then OK. Now these are some of the final checks. Battery level is key. Ensure that your Bluetooth device, that's either headphones you are using or speaker, is fully charged. Low battery can cause connectivity or audio dropout issues. Also test with another device. Try connecting your Bluetooth device to another phone or tablet. If it works there, the problem is definitely with your laptop. If it doesn't work anywhere, your Bluetooth device might be faulty. By methodically working through these steps, you should be able to resolve most Bluetooth connected but no sound issues on your laptop quickly. Yeah, that's all about it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.